Hello. Yeah, you all write your USN in the chat box. Those who are present here, write your USN in the chat box. We will start with the class because it will take little more time. I hope you all have the question with you. Kindly to reply me, unmute yourself and reply to me so that I can get to know whether you are listening to me or not. Yeah, I hope you all have the question with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, second question, draw the sectional plan, elevation and end view of 5 kV single phase core type transformer. The circumcircle dia is 80 mm, the limb is square in cross section. Right, inner dia of LV winding is 83, outer 98, inner HV 114, outer HV 135, wooden pieces in between LV HV, height of the window 220, height of the winding 208, center of the center between the limbs, center to center distance between the limb is 160 mm, and overall width and height of the transformer is 215 into 350. Right, so all of you set the units and limits. Set the units and limits. As you can see in the question, units are millimeters, so you will set the units to millimeters. Right. So after setting the units and limits, what you are going to do, we will start with the core of the transformer. So it is given as the circumcircle is 80 mm. So we will draw a circle. We will draw a circle anywhere with with the dia of 80 mm. Right. So we have drawn the circle of dia 80 mm, and then I will finish all the circles first. Again with the center point, with the dia, we will draw the inner of HV winding. The inner of the HV winding is 83 mm, so 83. Then again repeat the circle. Mm, Let us stop showing the center of the circle. So we will draw the outer of the circle with 98 mm. Then why it is coming so big? It's 98 mm only, no? So we will repeat the circle. It is not showing. Okay. So before drawing the circles, what we will do, we will draw the construction line first. Okay. I don't know why my object snap has stopped working suddenly. Enter is on, everything is on. Mhm. So we will draw the construction line first in my case because it is not showing center. Turn on the ortho mode and draw two construction lines so that you have the center of it. Then now I will draw the circle. Circle with this and a dia and 98. Okay, and then again I'll repeat the circle. Circle, dia, outer of, sorry, inner of HV, and then D center 114. Then again we will repeat the circle with diameter and 135. Bye. D 135. I hope everybody has finished till here. You have to reply me, otherwise I cannot get to know. Are you done with this? Are you people doing parallelly or you just want to listen to me? Huh? What?
Only the circles.
You are done with it?
So, my construction lines also we have to do.
Construction line will help you because you have to keep or you have to extend the LV winding and HV winding upside. Okay, so it will be easy for you if you will draw the construction lines in between. Because we will draw the limb of the transformer, like half limb only we will draw, and then we will do the mirror of. Everywhere we will keep doing the mirror, mirror, mirror so that it becomes easy for us. Okay. So better to draw the construction line also. Now we will draw the core of the transformer. The circumdia of the circle is given as 80 mm. For the single step core, with what you multiply? With what? Yes. What is the multiplying factor for single step core? 80 into 0.71, right? So it is 56.8. 56.8 divided by 2, it is 28.4. So what will I do? I will take the offset at a distance of 28.4. Enter from the core from here to here and then from here to upside. So I got this. Now we will use trim and trim the extra construction lines here. And this one also. So tedious to do here as is not letting why it is happening like this. So just trim these lines. So you are going to trim it. So you are left with these things. Okay, the core of the transformer is this much. What we are going to do now is we will use mirror here. Mirror, select the object. This one, right click and take this mirror line. Construction line as your mirror line. Enter. So you will get this. Again, do the mirror. Select the object as this and this. Right click. So this is your mirror line. Enter. So you will get the core of the transformer. I hope it is okay for everybody. Are you done with it? Have you finished doing this?
Yes.
Please reply either in the chat box or unmute yourself and tell me. Is it clear or not?
Ma'am, can you repeat this step, ma'am?
Which step?
Yes, ma'am. Code step, ma'am.
Course step. You want me to redo it?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. See, I'm deleting this, okay? And then I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you know the circumcircle dia in the question is given as 80 mm. For the single step core, you multiply it with 0.7, right? So 80 into 0.71 will give you 56.8. So half of it, that is divided by 2. It is 28.4. Why I am doing like that? Because I am drawing the only quarter of the core. I am not drawing full core. By using the offset, select the distance as 28.4. That is half of 56.8. Okay. Enter. So from this line, this side I will draw one, and from this line upside. Okay. Now use trim to trim it. We are going to let us extend the selected here. So we will select it and we will trim this. Now select this line and this line and this line. We don't need it, and delete it. So you will be left with this. I have by mistake deleted this construction line also. Extend. So once you have drawn this quarter of the core, mirror it. Do the mirror image of it. This too. This is your mirror line. Okay. Again, repeat the mirror by selecting these 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half core now. Right click from here to here is the mirror line. Navya Shri, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next is do the hatching in the end only. Don't do the hatching in between. Okay. Then it will be difficult for you to draw the lines and all. Now, I think I have missed one circle. Now I missed one circle. I think so between LV winding outer I have missed. Okay, I will draw it. From here, D and 98, 98. So now you have to draw the wooden piece in between HV and LV. So what we will do for it, I'll take a line, I'll turn off the ortho mode, sorry, object snap, because otherwise it will not let me draw the line. Okay, I have drawn this line here in the center with the construction line. Again, what will I do? I'll do the mirror image of it. Select this object. Why I am doing like this is, now you can turn on your object snap so that I get the at equal distance. So I got this. Now I'll do the polar array. So for polar array, select the object, this one and this one. Okay, right click. Center is this one. So I got it. They have not mentioned how many wooden pieces you should put. By default, it is coming as 6. So I will leave it as 6. If you want to put 8, you can do the number of items as 8. If you want to reduce it to 4, you can reduce the items to 4. It's up to you. Okay. So this is what we have done. Now our core is ready. Anybody having doubt here? Yes. Anybody having doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have drawn the core of the transformer. Now what we will do, we will start drawing the front elevation. For front elevation, we are mainly going to use offset, mirror and all. Okay, so what you do, take one line and draw somewhere in the center. Okay, somewhere where you can extend it. Approximately somewhere up the core you draw it. Now you read the question. See, height of the window is 220. The overall height of the transformer is 350. Half of 350 is how much? 175. So offset at a distance of 175. 175. Okay. Then from here upside, from here downside. Can you see? We have this. Correct. Now you see the height of the window is 220. Half of 220 is 110. So offset at a distance of 110. Enter from the center line up, center line down. Okay. Now again repeat the offset for the winding height. What is the winding height? 208. Half of 208 is 104. 104. Enter. From here to up, from center to down. Done. So this is the upper limb of the core. This is this is the upper limb of the core, and this is the down limb of the core, and this is the insulation in between the windings. So what we are going to do now is we are going to extend the windings. Okay. So take a line. Keep your ortho mode on. From the core, go till insulation. I am turning off in object snap end points because my line will otherwise keep going to the end point of the line and keep connecting there. So from the object snap you can turn off and on as per your requirement. Now again take a line from LV winding inner. LV winding inner, we will extend it. So LV winding inner is extended. Now again we will do LV winding outer. So from that construction line you can see I am extending it. That is why I told you you have to draw the construction line because it becomes easier for you to make out where line is going. Okay, so we are done with LV winding. Now we will do with Do for same for HV winding also. Take a line from the inner of the HV winding, go up. Fine. Similarly, outer of the HV winding. Select the line. This is the last projection which we are going to do. If you want, no, you can extend it little bit extra also and then later delete it. It doesn't matter. Like if you want to finish it fast. But you have to keep doing the trimming part. Now, you can see that this is ready. Transformer. Yes or no? Everybody has done till here? Then only I will move forward. Otherwise, I will wait for you people to finish it. Yes? Kindly please unmute yourself and tell me.
Doing.
Doing. Shall I wait for 5 minutes? Okay, once you are done with the projection, do let me know. Then only I will start with the next step. Next step is to just trim it. Project all the windings, inner outer of both the windings. Project the core up. That's it. Okay, that wooden piece, Kulsum is asking how to draw the wooden piece. Kulsum, we are drawing with the help of this polar array. So what we are going to do here is, Pramad, you unmute yourself and you can ask the question, Pramad. Pramad, you can ask the question by unmuting yourself. Kulsum, I am deleting it and I'll redo it. It's okay. Then only you will get it. Kulsum, for wooden pieces, turn off your object, this object snap. Okay, take a line and draw one line here parallel to the construction line, a very small line, and then do the mirroring of it. Take this object from here, then turn on the object snap so that you can see the mirror line where you are drawing. Enter it. You have done it. Okay, one small piece you have drawn. Then select the polar array. Select these two objects. Right click and the center of the circle. Then press enter. That's it.
Okay.
Is it clear? And then Pramad.
Yes.
Pramad has raised the hand. Pramad, unmute yourself and ask the question, Pramad.
It's by mistake.
Oh. If you have any doubt, just unmute yourself and ask the question.
Ma'am, could you just repeat the circle, ma'am? I joined late.
Who is this? Davud.
Yes, ma'am.
I can recognize you with your voice only. Okay. Dawood, circle drawing is very simple. See, once you are, I will draw in the side and tell you, okay? So wherever, either you give specific center point. If you don't want to give specific center point, click anywhere on the screen. Okay. Then write D here. Once you write D, press enter. Then, because diameter of the circle is given in the question. If radius is given in this question, we will write R. Or we don't have to write, by default it has R only, radius only. So firstly, the circumcircle of the core is given as 80 millimeters. So I will write here 80 and I will draw the circle. Okay. Similarly, I will keep drawing for inner of the HV, inner of the LV, outer of the HV, outer of the LV. Is it clear, Davud?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know now how to write the circle? See D, I am writing here. Then I will go here. My object snap, no, it is not working sometimes in between. So click here. So LV inner is how much? LV inner is 83. So I will write here 83 and enter. Why it has come so big? I think I write here D, enter 83. I don't know. It's moving here and there. Okay. I'm doing one mistake. Center point first I should give, then D and 83. Dabu, this is clear to you? Like that you will
Yes, ma'am.
keep drawing the circle.
Oh, okay.
Yes, any other doubt till here anybody is having? Please let me know. All of you have extended the core?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Ask.
Even I joined late, but I didn't get this
What you didn't get?
boxes.
What you didn't get?
That box on the circle, ma'am.
That is the core. Okay, core. So core of the circle, it is. See, the circumcircle dia is 80 mm, right? So 80 mm for single step core, what we do, we multiply 80 mm, that is the circumcircle dia, with 0.71. Okay, when you will multiply,
Okay.
when you will multiply 80 with 0.71, you will get 56.8. Fine. I will draw it again for you. Wait. Otherwise, you will not understand. This is my line which I will not delete now. Okay, so 56.8 I got. What I will do, I will draw the quarter of the core first. Okay, so 56.8 divided by 2 is what? 28.4. So you will do offset at the distance of 28.4. Enter. So from this construction line to this side and from this construction line to upside. Is it clear? Now I will do the trimming of it. What is extended to? So we will trim off this line. That's it. Other line has not come, and I think we have to reschedule the meeting. Okay, delete it. Fine. Now drew the mirror of it. For mirror, select this object, select this object. Now this line completely will come. Right click or draw the mirror line here. Enter. Fine. Now again, do the mirror of full core. This, this, this. Mirror line from here to here. Enter. So you will get the core. Yes, anybody having any doubt now? Till here. Davud,
Yes, ma'am.
you joined late. No, you do you know how I did this part, upper part, the extension part? Do you all know it
Ah,
now?
yeah, that time.
Yeah, other person who joined late. Yes, anybody having doubt till here? Please say yes or no. I can't see you people. Otherwise, I will start with the next
And
step.
the upper part, can you explain once again?
Upper part. Okay. See, this core you have drawn, right? After drawing this core, go up and draw anyways in center somewhere. Draw one line randomly of random length. Okay. Then you want me to redo it?
I'm just explaining.
Okay. So center line is there. From the center line, you can see in the question, the overall height of the transformer is how much? 350. So half of the 350 is 175. So from the center line, offset at a distance of 175 up, 175 down. Then from the center of the line, draw the window height. Draw window height is how much? 220. So 110 up, 110 down. Then height of the winding is 208. That is 104 up and 104 down. So you will get all these parallel lines. Is it okay now? Anybody having doubt here? And then after doing this, what I have done is uh, from the core of the transformer, I have extended it up from the windings, inner of the LV, outer of the LV, inner of the HV, outer of the HV. I have extended till the insulation. Any doubt here? Shall we proceed? Everybody is done. Everybody has finished till here? Yes, everyone finished till here? Yes, say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed now? Now what you will do, you will prepare half limb with the windings around it. So what will I do? I will trim it now. I will start trimming process. Select it, trim, select the full transformer. Okay, now right click. So, right click and I have selected the objects. Now we will start trimming. This one I don't need. This one also I don't need. This line I don't need here. I don't need. Didn't see it. Didn't need it or not. Then insulation inside the core I don't need. And then this line is also not required. No. And this line also is not required. This line is also not required. This line is also not required. We don't need this. This. We will delete off this line. And now you can see here Our LV winding and HV winding with insulation is there, and we have this half core, correct? So this half core will go like this. I'm showing with my finger. Half core will go like this. This is the upper part of the core, and this is the down part of the core. So again, I'm selecting two here. I don't need. Oh, I think this one. This. Construction line I am not deleting because I need to draw the mirror of it. Now we will do the mirroring. No, now we will not do the mirroring. What we will do is we will do the hatching. We will do the hatching part first. So we will start with the core. Here is the hatch. So now select the hatch. You can use any hatch in LV and HV winding. So we will increase the global scale now here. Some 20 I will give. So it is coming. So we will put it here. This is my LV winding. Okay. Similarly, what will I do? I will go up and I'll do in. I think there is some gap here. Yeah. So what will I do? If I get a gap somewhere, I will extend that line so that there is no gap left. So we are done with this. 1 minute only is left. Shall I reschedule the meeting? Please tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will reschedule the meeting and send the. I would have done the reoccurring meeting, but I forgot to do that. Okay, I will reschedule the meeting and send you the link. Okay.